Enjoying your time? So we are at another stop. We're actually at Little Ochi Seafood. We're at Little Ochi Seafood, and when you hear seafood, you know I'm about to have a fish and something. So we're at Food Stop. It's a very famous food stop, and it's right by the beach, which is looking really inviting. So we're about to go and see what's happening around here right now. Also called Alligator Pond. So I don't see any alligator, but is the area? Yeah, but why is it called Alligator Pond? Look at this sand. The eating area is like some little boat. That's where you're gonna eat, in a little boat. How cool is that? Yeah, and it's black sand. Huh? What happened? For real, to backside. Okay, you guys, so the reason why here, I just found out why it's called Alligator Pond is because look at Tyler. Careful! No. It's because this mountain right here is shaped like an alligator actually. So this right here would have been the head of the alligator, and it goes all the way up, all the way around, but you can't see it from where I'm standing. There are some boats down here where it seemed like fishermen just came in with fishes, so people actually purchasing fishes from the boats, and the water is just looking really beautiful right now. And this is the area that you eat actually shaped like a boat with steps, which look really pretty. Jamaican style. I think they're making soup over here, they're roasting fish over here, they're preparing fish over there. We ordered fish and festival as usual, and fish tea. Fish tea is fish soup. That's what we call fish tea. So that's what we're gonna have for lunch. We're gonna sit in one of these area, and then as soon as it's ready, they'll come to us. You guys, I don't know if you guys can see the sand. You guys can see the sand. It actually have some glitter stones in it when the sun is reflected. Yeah, it's so beautiful out here. You like the sand? To Tyler? Hey! In on the boat! This is so creative though.
Tyler, all aboard! All aboard!
You guys are in a boat. We're having lunch in a boat.
All a boat license, man. On this side is the captain's side. Captain's side. The captain on the right, exit just in case he board the right. Captain should be the last to leave.
Give me Tyler food.
First to leave, should be the last to leave.
Hey!
Hey!
Tyler, come on, you're a real puppy show.
Shove.
If you show up,
Shove too. Hey! I'm sure I can't see anything. Yeah.
You guys, Tyler is having lunch while we're waiting on ours right now. And he's playing cool in his glasses. Yes.
Enjoying your time? So you're waiting on your food? Yeah. You're waiting on your food?
Yeah, I'm hungry, but it's taking forever.
Enjoying the view?
Yes, I'm in my boat. And I want to come down here.
Look at this boat. This boat gonna crash.
You guys, food is ready and we're gonna grab as usual. You know what we're having? Fish and festival, and Tyler already taking the plate for himself. No. slash Alligator Pond, and it was a really good time. Tyler enjoyed the water as usual. He's such a water baby. Look at him. He really does enjoy the water. We had a good time and we ate so much food. I'm full right now. But you know, the funniest thing about this area is that growing up in Jamaica, I thought Alligator Pond was a place where a pond where you're gonna see alligators. But I guess you have to explore and go places to really know what it's like. Now I really knows what Alligator Pond is and why it is called Alligator Pond. It's been a really good road trip. We're having a super good time. So yeah, hopefully you guys are really enjoying this vlog. So if you are enjoying, give it a thumbs up and we'll continue on our way. So we'll catch you guys later. And heading to